Easy how to make suet cakes. Get the handy dandy thing full of birdseed. Got the lard. Record. Okay, melted in the microwave. Badass microwave, 99 seconds. Dump her in there. A little warm, not too bad. A little bit of birdseed. Stir it up. Some more birdseed. Stirring and stirring and stirring. All gone, empty. 16 ounces of this handy dandy thing. Measured up pretty good. Turn it up. Simple, easy how-to suet cake recipe. Very easy. Okay, so you got that all mixed up. Mix it up good. Take one of these containers, Dollar Tree, Walmart, whatever you got going on. Stick it in there. Throw it in the freezer overnight, couple hours, whatever time you got. And over here is the finished one. Pretty sick. Good to go. You get 2 of these with the recipe I just showed. There's my kitty cat. There's our kitty cat. And there is my bird feeder I put outside. Hummingbird, the other bird feeder, and yep, enjoy. Hopefully that's easy enough. Thank you.